Well, it's a big day. Delhi is set to have its chief minister, at least the announcement by the end of this evening. BJP Legislative Party meeting is set to sit together at about 7 p.m. this evening. They have to elect the leader of the house. Preparations for oath ceremony, that's confirmed for tomorrow, the 20th of February. Full swing at the historic Ramlila ground. The BJP's Legislative Party meeting will be held at 7 p.m. Now, party's national leadership will appoint an observer to oversee the meeting. MLAs will elect their leader. Will it be a unanimous decision or not? The elected leader, with all BJP MLAs and Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva, then will visit the governor's house, Raj Niwas, to formally stake their claim to form the government. The names doing the rounds for the new CM include Parvesh Verma, Ashish Sood and Rekha Gupta. Remember, these are some of the front runners. Look at that on your screen, specifically with regard to what appears to be, at least as per calculations, possible front runners. But knowing the Bharatiya Janata Party, could there be a completely new name, a surprise that could crop up after the meeting? Chief Minister and the entire cabinet will take oath in a grand ceremony, 11 a.m. tomorrow, 20th February. We are told will be attended, of course, by Prime Minister Modi, union ministers, dignitaries as well from different sectors of the country. A massive crowd is expected at the event. We are told about 40 celebrities have also been invited. It's a big day. It's India's capital city, set to have not only a chief minister again, but now a double-engine Sarkar. Same party at the centre and in Delhi government. Will that help Delhi this time?
दिल्ली की जनता और दिल्ली के कार्यकर्ताओं में अलग उत्साह है। उस उत्साह की तैयारी भी उतने ही बड़े स्केल पे चल रही है। हजारों लाखों की संख्या में दिल्ली के कार्यकर्ता और दिल्ली की जनता रामलीला ग्राउंड में आने वाली है और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी भी वहां रहेंगे। बाकी तमाम एनडीए के नेता भी वहां रहेंगे और बाकी जो हमारे नए मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे और मंत्रिमंडल वो तो सब होंगे ही, पर अलग उत्साह और जोश है क्योंकि आपदा को दिल्ली से हटाया है।
देखिए, दिल्ली को बदलने वाली सरकार, दिल्ली से गंदगी हटाने वाली सरकार, दिल्ली से गंदा पानी, गंदी हवा और यमुना जी को साफ करने वाली सरकार, दिल्ली के भविष्य को बचाने वाली सरकार मिलने जा रही है। मेरे को बहुत खुशी है इस बात की कि दिल्ली अब बदलाव देखेगी। एक जनरेशन जो थी 12 साल की, उस जनरेशन ने केवल गंदगी और बहाने और झूठ देखे हैं। अब उनको भी एहसास होगा कि दिल्ली कैसी सुंदर होनी चाहिए थी, अब वो दिखेगी आपको।